Hello student, this is our social studies class and we are studying the chapter number 6, democratic government. In our previous class we have studied about the three wings of the government, that is the legislature, executive and the judiciary. These are the three wings of the government. So we are studying about the judiciary, in which we have already studied about the Supreme Court and the High Court in our previous class. In today's class we are going to talk about or discuss about the subordinate courts, so let's start. In every state beside the High Court, there are a number of other judicial court to administer justice. Means in in our state or in other states, except the High Court, after High Court we have other courts, that is judicial courts of to the administer justice, to apply the justice to all the pupils, non-pupils. These courts are known as the subordinate courts. These courts are called subordinate courts. The subordinate courts are controlled by the High Court of the state, and these subordinate courts are controlled by the High Court of our state or any other states. Some subordinate courts are, the first one is the civil court. The civil court of the district judge is the highest civil court in the district. Means the highest court in the district is called the civil court and the court of the district judge. It hears both the civil and the criminal cases of the district, and the criminals of the civil and the criminal cases are heard here in the district court on the civil court. Second is criminal court. These court deals with the criminal cases, and it deals with the criminal cases of the district. A death sentence of the criminal court needs to be confirmed by the High Court of the state. If the criminal case justify the death sentence to a criminal, and that sentence is need to be confirmed by the High Court of the state. The second is revenue court. The land revenue is an important source of the income of the government. The revenue on the land collected and given to the government, and it is the main revenue of the government, important source of income for the government. All revenue related to cases are dealt by the revenue court, and that revenue cases are dealt with the revenue courts. Fourth is Gram Panchayat, the Gram Panchayat court. The Gram Panchayat are a small law court that deliver justice at the village level. This type of panchayat provide the justice at the village level, means at the small level. Generally 3 to 4 village have a panchayat, means a mixture of 3 to 4 village have a panchayat. Both civil and criminal cases are heard in panchayat. Both the cases are heard in the panchayat. Next is Lok Sabha, Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat. What is Lok Adalat? The Lok Adalats aim at providing speedy justice to the people, and that too at a very low cost. Means it provides justice to the people at very high speed, quickly, and to at a very low cost, and with a very low cost. Generally, the retired judges preside over them. Means it is controlled by the retired judges. The first Lok Adalat was set up in Delhi in 1985. It is set up in the Delhi in 1985. So student, that's all from this class. We have completed the chapter today, and the exercise of this chapter I will send to you in our next class. So student, till then read the chapter twice at your home. If you find any problem, any mistakes or anything in this problem, in this chapter, you can ask me during class hours. Thank you, student. Thank you for listening.